Hi there, students. Sanctimonious, an adjective. Sanctimoniously, the adverb. Sanctimoniousness, the noun. Okay, if you describe somebody as sanctimonious, you're saying they are acting as if they are morally better than other people. They're making a false show of being pious and religious and following the rules absolutely. And they're much better at following the rules than other people. Holier than thou, are self-righteous. Okay, notice all of these words are critical and disapproving, yeah? They're saying that this person is trying to show that they're better than other people, yeah? This guy is so sanctimonious. Yeah, he's making a show of being morally better. He's being hypocritically pious, hypocritically religious, following the rules absolutely. So whenever the boss is around, my work companion is so sanctimonious. He follows the rules absolutely and makes it clear that the boss can see that he's following the rules that he should be following. But the second the boss is out of the office, he cuts all the corners and does things as quickly as possible. Yeah, so he's just making a show in front of the boss, a show of sanctimoniousness, that he's better than everyone else because he always follows the rules to the letter. Yeah, so hypocritically pious, hypocritically devout. He's a sanctimonious moralist. The Victorians, I think, were particularly sanctimonious. They always went to church and they were always doing good charitable deeds. And then in the back they were raping their servants and mistreating people when they couldn't be seen. Okay, so sanctimonious, a public show of being a morally good person. The sanctimonious politician was later proven to be a hypocrite. Yeah, he's holier than thou. He's a Pharisee. Yeah, smug and self-satisfied. Yeah, unctuous as well. Yeah, Tartufian, that's quite a good one. Yeah, he writes sanctimonious rubbish. He writes about how he always does the right thing. He's appearing full of goodness and being a really good person, but later, what is the truth is a very different question. Okay, so acting as if they're morally better, showing people that you are morally better and more religious. He comes over as extremely sanctimonious, but he really does actually believe what he says and he follows his rules. Yeah, you know how people are always making rules for other people. It's got to be done like this, it should be done like that. But normally they're sanctimonious because they don't follow their own rules. But somebody who talks the talk and walks the walk, that's not sanctimonious. People who talk the talk but don't walk the walk, that is sanctimonious. Notice this word is very critical. He's a sanctimonious son of a... Okay, how formal is this? I think I'd probably give this a 6. Maybe even a 6.5. I think you could just about use this in an informal conversation. What else would I say informally? Holier than thou is probably slightly less formal, but sounds rather posh. Yeah, he's so sanctimonious about things. And then what about origin? Well, this comes from, well, sanctimony. There's a French word, sanctimonious, which comes from Latin, sanctimonia, sacredness, purity, chastity, from sanctus, holy, and monia, an action or the result of an action. Yeah, so if somebody is sanctimonious, this is a hypocritical show of excess piety, but it's just an affectation of a public show. Yeah, phony. Yeah, phony is quite a good word as well. So there you go, sanctimonious, holier than thou. Yeah, he's so sanctimonious about his English, or the English of others, even though he makes mistakes the whole time. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Now, I was just thinking, the British are really sanctimonious about languages. You really, really must learn languages. They're really good for you. But the British never learn languages, and they're absolutely terrible at learning languages. The worst language learners in Europe, the British. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sanctimonious.